So here we have a scrubbing machine which we are going to use in the washroom. Okay, so with the scrubbing machine we have 3 attachments. The first attachment is your flat brush. Okay, this flat brush we use it on our tiles walls and the floor. So that's why we call it flat brush, because we are going to use it in a flat surfaces. Now we have corner brush, so that means we are going to use this brush in a corner area. So we will use in this corner, the floor corner or a walls corner. Now we have another brush which is shower partition glass brush. Okay, we can use this brush in shower partition area where a big huge glass is on the in the washroom, also in the bathtub. So here you can see a lot of stains on the bathtub. We use this brush in the bathtub as well. So here we have a scrubbing machine. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use the scrubbing machine. So here you can see this is the hole where we put the brush, where we insert the brush. Okay, if we are moving it towards the right side, it opens the hole. Okay, that means once the hole will become bigger, we can insert the brush like this way. Okay, once you insert the brush, you take your finger, use the finger and move it towards the left side. Okay, once you move it towards the left side, you will see it gets tight. Now after that you will have to use this key. Okay, you will have to fix it here and then move like this just to tighten it. Now here you can see your brush is tight fully. Okay, what if you want to remove the brush after uses? Then same, use the key, just lose it little bit and lose it with your finger, and then your brush is out. Okay, so this is how we insert the brush. We tighten it with the finger, we use the key and we tighten it. Once we want to lose it, same, insert the key here and then lose it and use your finger to take out the brush. So now here I'm gonna show how to use the flat brush on the flat surfaces. So here you can see I insert the brush using my finger, I will tighten it, then at last I will use this key to tighten it more, to just lock it. Okay, now keep the key here. Okay, now before removing the stains, so make sure wherever you will see hard stains, you will have to use the scrubbing machine in the washroom. So now here you can see there's a lot of hard stains on the floor. So what I'll do, I will use the Descaler Chemical. Okay, Descaler is to remove all the hard stains from the washroom. So I will spray the Descaler. Stop. So here I'm gonna spray the Descaler. I'll make sure that I spray the good amount of Descaler. Okay, it will reach all to the hard stains and then the stains will become soft. Okay, so here you can see this is a trigger. Once I press it, it will start moving. Okay, and here is a speed controller. You can decrease and increase the speed from here. And this is a lock. So once I press this button, it will be locked. I'm not using my finger, it's continuously moving. Okay, now when I have to unlock it, I will simply press it again and it will be stopped. So this is how you can lock the button as well. Okay, so now I have sprayed the Descaler here. Okay, what I'll do, I will simply keep the brush on the floor. Okay, and slowly I will push the button. So now here you can see it start moving and I will start scrubbing the brush. Make sure you are keeping this brush flat on the surface. Okay, it should not be like this or like this. Okay, it should be fully flat. And while scrubbing, if you see the area is getting dry, okay, so you spray the chemical again to make the area wet. If the area is wet with the chemical, your stains will go removed easy. So here you can see that I scrub the area and this part of the tiles is clean. So now I'm gonna show you that same flat brush can be used on wall as well, tiles wall. So what I'll do, I'll spray the chemical. I will spray the chemical, okay, and I will start scrubbing the wall. Then I will wipe it. So this is how we can use this flat brush in a flat surface of floor or tiles wall. So now I'm going to use the corner brush. The same way you have to remove the brush, use the key, move it, and then use your finger to take it out. Now I will take the corner brush to clean the corner area. So I will insert the brush, move it with the finger and will tighten it and then you will use the key to tight it more. Now here you can see that there's a lot of stains in the corner. Okay, so I will simply do the same process. I will spray the descaler nicely in all over the area and will make it wet. Okay, and then after that we'll use this corner brush. We'll place it here, push it a little bit, and then we'll start using it. So here you can see the stains are getting removed. And then here I will wipe it. Here now you can see the stains on the corner has been removed. So now I'm gonna use the shower partition brush in the bathtub. So I'll show you. So you have to remove this brush. Simply use the key to loose it, and then take this brush, insert it, use your hand and finger towards the right side to tight it, and then tight it with your hand. Make sure there's a direction lever as well. Okay, keep this direction lever towards the right side. Okay, so what I'll do, I will use the same way. I will spray the Descaler Chemical on the surface, and then I will use this. Make sure that area should be wet with the chemical, okay? Because if it's not wet, then it will leave the scratches on the surface. So keep spraying on the area to remove the stains faster and clean. Now here you can see it's clean. But make sure one thing, whenever you are using the chemical, the descaler in the bathtub, you will have to wash it with the water, and then after that you will wipe it. Okay, so because